Hi everybody, we will continue with the vocabulary of Unit 5, Speak Out Intermediate. The first one is the nuclear power. It is the power, especially electricity, the source of which is nuclear fusion. The next one is vaccinations, to inoculate with a vaccine in order to produce immunity to an infectious disease. Genetic engineering, it is a popular issue in today's world. It is scientific alteration of the structure of genetic material in a living organism. The next one is vacuum cleaner. It is something we often use at home, an electrical appliance that cleans surfaces by suction. Space travel, it is a voyage outside the Earth. And the next one is solar power. The sun's energy is used to produce electricity or some other things. The next one is communication satellites. An artificial satellite used to relay radio, television, and telephone signals around the Earth. Medical science. The science of dealing with the maintenance of health and the prevention and treatment of disease. Run out of something. If you are someone driving a car, you sometimes run out of gas. Of a supply of something be used up. Breakdown. It is true for a machine or motor vehicle. Suddenly cease to function. It doesn't start again. Reboot. Most of us often experience problems with our computers, and we need to reboot it, restart, the act or an instance of rebooting a computer's operating system. Switch, to turn on a machine, light using a switch. Switch, okay, you may switch on or you may switch off. Debate, to argue about an issue, especially in a formal manner. It is something that is often done by politicians. Respond, to make a reply answer. Reply, to speak or write as a reaction to a question or other prompting. Messy, if you have children at home, their rooms are always messy. They are disorderly and dirty. Hairy, covered with hair. Explosive, relating to or having the nature of an explosion. Responsible, liable to be required to give account as of one's actions or of the discharge of a duty or trust. Relaxation, it is something we really need these days. Refreshment of body or mind, recreation. Pollution, the act or process of polluting or the state of being polluted. It is a very common problem in the today's world. We pollute the environment very badly. Depression, the condition of being depressed. Some problems may cause depression on some people. Low tech, to use or require only low technology. Simpler technology, not high tech, not complex or very expensive technology. Access, the means or opportunity to approach or enter a place. Supply, to make available to someone or provide something, or if as the noun form, a stock or amount of something supplied or available for use. Roundabout. Roundabouts are often used in playgrounds, a large revolving device in a playground for children to ride on. Investigate, to carry out a systematic or formal inquiry to discover and examine the facts. For example, some researchers investigate, police officers investigate the details of a crime. Inquire, to ask for information from someone. Argue. To give reasons or cite evidence in support of an idea, action, or theory, typically with the aim of persuading others to share one's view. Quarrel. To have a heated argument or disagreement. For example, husbands and wives often quarrel about some very simple things. Recharging. It is something we always need with our telephones. To charge again, especially to re-energize a storage battery. Out of order. You go to a bank machine, but it doesn't work. You cannot withdraw money from the bank because it is out of order, not in a proper order. Fixing. To correct or set right, adjust. Reception. The action or process of receiving something sent, given, or inflicted. For example, you have your phone in your hand, but you cannot call anyone because the reception is very low, weak. Okay. Memory stick. Almost everyone among us has a memory stick. Not volatile, random access memory that can be erased electronically and written up to 100,000 times. Crash. To undergo sudden damage or destruction on impact. And the last word, sensitivity. The quality or condition of being sensitive. Yes, this is the end of the vocabulary overview for Unit 5. Let's continue with the practice part now.